Okay, for this lab you're going to need a LabQuest with a temperature probe or a digital thermometer, some calcium chloride, a scopula, spoon, something like that, and a graduated cylinder with about 25 milliliters of water, and a beaker, 150 to 250 milliliters. So we got our beaker here, we're ready to go, and you'll also actually need a stopwatch of some sort, and I'm just going to use my phone. So the first thing that I want to do is take the temperature of the water. So I'm going to take my temperature probe, I'm going to put it down into my water. I'm going to give it a second till the temperature kind of stays still. So I'll show my temperature probe in my water right now. So we're going to say our initial temperature of the water is 19.6 degrees Celsius. Then I'm going to take, with the scoop I have, I'm probably going to take about 3 scoops here of calcium chloride into my beaker. I'm going to start my stopwatch as I pour in my water into my beaker. Now we're going to record the max temperature that this gets to and what time that occurs, and then we'll see what our temperature is after 2.5 minutes. So some qualitative data here. My beaker is getting warm, and on the sides there's some condensation that's appearing. So those are some qualitative data points. Our quantitative data here is our temperature and our time. We're checking our time there, so we can figure out that relationship. So I'm still just stirring here. You can use a stirring rod if you would like, or a spoon, whatever works for you with this one. So our temperature here is slowing down, so we know we want to focus on what our max temperature and that time is. So again, make sure you've gotten that recording. Now we can see that the temperature is going down. Remember, we're going to let this go for 1.5 minutes. I'm sorry, 2.5 minutes. We're at 1.5 minutes. 40 seconds left. We're still watching that temperature. We want to see what that temperature is after 2.5 minutes. Now in our beaker here, a little bit hard to see, but there is some steam. Our beaker, where the liquid is pretty warm. 20 seconds left here. And we're looking for that temperature at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, there we go. That is your data, and you can go ahead and finish the other parts of the lab.